Are you a fan of...
Hello, human. You've worked the 9 to 5, but are you ready for infinite overtime? Hello, human, and welcome to the exciting world of...
overtime?
When you're ready to start, go ahead and pull the first ticket.
It's really late, and I really need to get some things before I go home. My life isn't complete without...
Hot dog.
My internal random number generator requests...
Burrito.
I am
Displeased.
with the amounts you asked for, but I'll pay anyway. More things makes me more happy.
I told my family I just stepped out for a minute. I need the biggest candy bar you have. Jumbo size one for me. Southspot told me to give this to you before the monetary transaction's complete. I have exact change. Thanks, human. My boss loves these.
You've really learned how to climb the ladder, human. Please, take this promotion.
I'm too embarrassed to shout while there are other bots here. Kick them out and I'll come back.
Hello? Hello? No. Baby. Huh?
I think I'm in a room and it should. Yeah,
Oh,
just
hello?
type in Z.
What is this guy's name who's the lava monkey? Does anyone else see it?
Yeah. Love you. How to get back to the stump? Yeah, that's called the stump. Where are you right now?
Just chilling at city, checking out how many
I
shiny.
don't know where you are. The train area? Oh.
Hey guys, is that freaking
Ron, did you hear what I said? I'm allowed to, so I'm gonna do that. My sister is okay with it. Hello there, you're anti-am.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
How were you able to
I
tell
am
it was
not
me?
here. I said I'm not here. How did you know I was here?
I have no clue. I'm not sure. I think so.
Or who else was in the lobby?
Me, I can only hear you on.
Oh.
But how is it 6 people in this code? Just add a private code, then I want to just type.
Yahoo.
You. Let's go run. But can you follow me? I am. Yeah. That's a lava. That's a lava. Run in the opposite direction of them.
Put it away. Oh. I'll just wait for you at that platform.
Okay. How do I do that? Trying, but I can currently see a lava, and I don't think that he likes me. What is happening?
Get blue. Hurry.
Move out, boys! Move out, boys! I.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Hey Bet, where's the light blue man at?
I'm right here.
Huh? Oh yeah. Well, I'm over there. Yo guys, come up here. That's
Hey,
a
Bet.
problem. That's a problem. All bunkies.
Too bad for you, Wolf.
Attention, lava monkeys. Come by Ethan. Attention, lava monkeys. He's the guy with the party hat. Alright, let's just go.
Right here.
Why did it just launch me in the opposite direction?
In here.
God, I tried to jump to the zip line.
I'm right here.
Oh, hey, what's up? There's a little part right there they're able to get onto. It's like in the middle, I think. Yeah, right there. A beautiful sound of water.
Might
that I
have just
definitely-
muted everybody on accident. Is it just me that sometimes that?
Hey,
like,
party
never
hat man.
does at all?
Ethan.
See, I'm on top of the world, eh? Hello there, blue man.
Bro, you were literally so far away from me that the zip line is the color of the water.
Just follow me. I know fun things.
No, I need to run. He's coming.
Ah!
My mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I need to get out of here.
Yeah.
My mountain.
Hello there. Ah! Oh, hi.
He's coming. He's just standing there, menacingly.
No, Roan, you've got to be good with it. Gotta be
He's
good.
just standing there.
What is it? Hey, reviewers.
Go onto this zip line right here. No, don't. I'm literally on the very top of the pirate ship.
Go back to the computer.
Hey, what's up, Lava Monkey?
How did you get
Red Blue, he's coming for you.
Where even are you?
Oh, nah, he's coming for me. Bro's angry at me. Hey, look behind you. No! Here we come. If you tag me, you'll get 0 shiny rocks forever.
Hello there.
I'll tag him.
You gotta come up here. Hello there. Come down.
I'm not fed up. Oh no, I'm not fed
Come
up.
down, Blonde. I dare you.
Yeah!
You know, use 90% of the way you move in this game.
That jump scared me so badly.
GG.
Okay, but who's the
Nice.
lava monkey? I don't know. Okay, good. It's
Here
not
I
you. I
come,
was running away from you.
Yeah. GG though. That was good. That was good.
Take the L.
That's what. That was good. GG.
Here come lava monkeys.
GG.
Should I say goofy
Come on,
monkeys?
just jump.
Goofy.
Nice one. Yeah. Like no, like. Roan walk here.
How come last time I was
No,
able to
no,
do some
go.
epic things in beach, but now that there's actual people in this lobby, now I can't.
And then computer. Okay, so
I see
we're gonna
lava.
go to this hole.
Hey, scientist man, I am
Go
not
into the hole.
here.
Follow
I said
me
I
to the
wasn't
hole.
here. Stay back.
Stay back.
Wait, where even is he?
Oh, cool.
I'm not here. Never mind, I was here.
How did you know I was here? I'm sorry, but I gotta do this.
And then me just casually missing. Man, I might as well get this guy.